Hello everyone, welcome to Truspacer live show. I'm your host Miranda, and this is my partner Michael. Today we are taking you guys to see our most popular product, Truspacer Wall Magic Spacer. It is used for making insulating glass. At first, I will introduce our company to you all. Truspacer was built in 1996, and we have been in IG ceiling spacer business for 26 years. Our factory is located in Panjin City of Liaoning Province. The nearest port to our factory is Dalian Port. We focus on the development, production, and sales of insulating glass ceiling spacer and related machines. Truspacer products have passed the American IGCC certification, the European CE certification, the ISO 9001 quality system certification, the Russia's GOST certification. They have been exported to more than 60 countries around the world. Truspacer is a wall magic spacer system ideal for high-value production of insulating glass. It contains butyl sealant, 3 molecular sieve, undulating aluminum spacer bar, and heat insulation strip, and so on. It can replace the traditional aluminum bar and help to improve the insulating glass production efficiency. No need secondary seal. Truspacer can be used to make special shapes of insulating glass, such as round, octagon, and some others. We have a piece of round glass on the show. You can see that it is very convenient to make special shape edge with Truspacer. As you know, it is very troublesome to make special shape edge with traditional aluminum bar due to aluminum bar need to be bent in advance. Truspacer is provided in two colors, black and gray, with size from 6.5 to 20 mm. Let's take a look at the structure. Its outer surface is made up of butyl sealant and undulating aluminum bar. When we tear it, we can see it has aluminum foil and heat insulation strip. Of course, we also added 3 molecular seal for it. The 3 molecular seal powder was mixed in the butyl sealant on the surface of Truspacer. Okay, let's take a look at what tools and machines are needed to make insulating glass. The tools include hand tool, scissors, heat gun, and sealing tool. We are all familiar with these tools. Maybe only hand tool is not common. Then I will give you a brief introduction. Its main function is to make insulating glass with ceiling spacer. The hand tool can move along the edge of the glass, can be fixed on the glass steadily, simple operation, high production efficiency. The hand tool also can be sized according to the ceiling spacer sizes. It is a very small and flexible tool. Now, let's briefly introduce the machines needed to make insulating glass. A complete set of machines needed for insulating glass production line includes glass washing machine, airflow table, tilting table, and hot press machine. Today, what we show in the studio is an airflow tilting table and hot press machine. I will explain what is an airflow table. We look at. This table has many holes. Using the function of blowing and inhaling, the worker could do the pasting spacer work better. The machine suction is strong. Make sure that the glass be reliably fixed on the table. Then the worker could do the pasting spacer work. Blowing strong. The machine can make glass suspended on the table, easy to move and operate. When the air float table blows out, we can easily move the glass. And when the air floats in helium, we can firmly hold the glass. Let's show this. But today this machine is called the air float table. Why? Let's take a look at the lower right corner of the machine. We have designed a stop here, which is more convenient to assemble the insulating glass. Next, we will show how to make insulating glass. Before operation, we should pay special attention to the front end of the Truspacer. We should ensure that it is a right angle. If it's not a right angle, we have to cut the front end off because we want to attach it vertically to the glass, which will also help us seal later. Before pasting Truspacer, we should first hold the side containing die skins to the inside of the IG unit. The front end of the spacer should be resolved 6.5 to 7.9 mm and then attached to the glass. The other hand should hold the spacer to lift it slightly and push the hand tool at a uniform speed. Do not touch the inside of the glass and the bonding surface of the spacer during this process. When the spacer turns a corner, pinch the spacer with your hands and form a sharp angle. When the sharp angle is opened and a 90-degree right angle is formed, place it stably on the glass to complete the corner. Cut off the end of the spacer, ensuring that the end is aligned with the start end. For common insulating glass, leave a distance of 0.8 to 1.5 mm at the interface. The spacer is parallel to the edge of the glass, and the angle between the spacer and the glass is 90 degrees. Next is assembling of glass. We raise the airflow stopper. Put the glass against the stopper. Take another piece of glass on the top of the glass. The assembling is completed. Before hot pressing, we should first adjust the hot pressing size of the machine. The size is equal to the size of the spacer plus the thickness of the two pieces of glass. After adjusting the size, we push the glass seal outwards and diagonally into the hot press machine. Now, the IG unit is going through the hot press machine. It will take about a dozen seconds. The Truspacer IG unit is not only not to be heated, but also need to be pressed. After the insulating glass out of the hot press machine, do not rush to seal it. We first put it on the A-shaped support to cool to room temperature. Then use a hot air gun to heat the seal to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius before sealing. This operation can ensure that the spacer is not suction. Therefore, we require cold sealing to be used when making insulating glass with Truspacer. So we finished this piece of insulating glass. Next, I'm going to introduce you to a test, the dew point test. The simplest way to check whether insulating glass is qualified is to do dew point test. Dew point test is also an import test in national testing standard of insulating glass. Here we do dew point test for you on the show. This is a dew point testing meter. We set the temperature to minus 40 degrees Celsius and the time to 3 meters. The dew point test can be done when the temperature of the dew point meter drops to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Please note a dew point test can be done 24 hours after the insulating glass is made. This is alcohol to defrost the surface of the glass. It can be seen that there is no frost and dew in the insulating glass. Dew point test successful.